Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. If you're new, my name is Janine and this is Janine's Tap Dance Studio. In today's video, I'm going to go over my about advanced beginner / intermediate combo to I Feel Like Dancing by Jason Mraz. If you have not yet seen that I posted my short earlier this week, you can learn the dance here in this video and then go ahead and do it with music and with my short. Which is linked down in my description box below. And also, if you don't know some of the steps in this combo, you will most likely find a tutorial for them in my Tap Step Tutorials playlist, which I also have linked in my description box below. So, lots of resources in my description box. Go ahead and look there if you need some help. All right, let's go ahead and get started here. So, you're going to do a toe drag with starting on your right. You're going to drag your toe from behind your left leg out to the side. And it's going to be for 3 beats. So it's going to go 1, 2, 3. On what your left foot is doing while your right foot is dragging, your left foot's going to do a crawl. So it's going to be a 4-beat crawl. So you're going to go here with the toe. You're going to go on your left foot, heel, toe, heel, toe. Okay, so again, so you can see that, you're going to do the drag. You're going to go heel, toe, and then you're going to finish it with a step heel on your right. Okay, so it's toe, heel, toe, step, heel. Okay, and the first toe is the right one, dragging from behind to the side. So let's try that again. So it's 1, 2, 3, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Yeah, here we go. So it's 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Okay, try that again. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. From here, we're going to do a 5-count riff and a 7-count riff on the left and then the right. And it's not a slow 7-count riff. It's a fast one where the heels come pretty quickly after you do the 5. So it's a 5 and a 7. From here, you're going to do the same thing on the left side. So you're going to drag now your left toe. As you're doing that, your right foot's going to crawl, heel, toe, and then step heel on the left. Now you're going to do a 5-count riff on the right and a 7 on the left. Okay, so let's try both of those put together, right side, left side, and here we go. And if at any point I'm going too fast, you can always slow it down, rewind, pause, anything you need to do to be able to learn the dance. Okay, here we go. Right side, left side. 5, 6, 7, 8. Toe, toe, step, heel. Riff, 7, and left. Riff. All right, now we're going to go into some Cincinnati. So we're going to start our Cincinnati with a drawback on the right. So we're going to go drawback right. And then we're going to go full Cincinnati, left, right, left. Ending it with a toe on the right. So when I say full Cincinnati, the way I think of a Cincinnati is that you start with the shuffle heel, end it with the drawback. So we're going to start with the drawback on the right, and then we have full Cincinnati's left, right, left. So that's shuffle, heel, drawback. So that's 1, 2, 3, and toe on the right. Okay, from here he says, I think it's hit it, get it, love it, live it, something like that. So you're going to do some cramp rolls. First 2 are going to be syncopated. You're going to do right, left, right, left. So starting on the right foot, step, step, heel, heel. So 1 end, 2 end, or 1, 2, and 3. I don't quite know the counts for that. You're going to do a reverse cramp roll on your right foot as well. Love it, live it, syncopated as well. So it's step, step, heel, 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 toe, toe. And then you're going to do a fast, straight rhythm cramp roll on the right. Okay? So it's da, 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 da. Okay? From here, you're going to do a crawl in, toe, toe, heel, heel, right, left, and then another straight rhythm fast cramp roll on the right. Okay, so it's syncopated cramp roll, syncopated reverse, straight rhythm cramp roll, toe, toe, heel, heel, which is slow, and then a straight rhythm cramp roll on the right again. So let's try just that. So it's hit it, get it, love it, live it. And that's get a little silly with the lyrical ridiculousness. Okay. So those go very close with the lyrics that he says there. Okay, so from, let's see, we finished with the 7-count riff on the left. Let's go start from the drawback or Cincinnati section into the cramp roll section. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8. Cramp roll. Good, nicely done. From here, we're going to go step, 3-count riff, step, 3-count riff, step. So it's almost like a reverse 5-count riff, except you're not doing the heel toe, you're just doing a step. So you're going to start with a step on your right. You're going to go step, 3-count riff left, step left now, 3-count riff, and then finishing it with a step on the right. So that's 1 and a 2, 3 and a 4, 5. That wasn't the right counts. Hold on. 1 and a 1, 2 and 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7. Hold 8. There it is. Okay. So again, step, 3-count riff, step, 3-count riff, step. You're going to repeat it on the left side. So now you're going to go step on the left, 3-count riff right, step, 3-count riff. Woo, and step, sorry, I'm losing my balance. So step, 3-count riff. Finishing it off with 2 5-count riffs, right side, left side. And we're going to do a rhythm turn on the right. Ending that with a stomp, stomp. Okay? And the reason I do my foot out like that when I do the turn, instead of just going forward, is because I don't have much space. So usually you would just do it forward. But because I don't have much space going forward, backward here, I kick it out to the side. Ending it with a stomp, stomp. From here, we're going to do 3 back essences. So we're going to go right side, right side. So it's and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then finishing the third one with a cramp roll on the right. And sorry, I meant to say the stomp, stomp happens on and 1. So it's and 1, back essence 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Okay, so from here, stomp, stomp, we have again back essence, brush, ball, change, cramp roll. Ending that section with a step heel grapevine. On the right side first, you're going to go step heel out, step heel behind with the left, step heel out, and then you're going to do, you can either do a stomp, I kind of like the stomp, or you could just do a step, okay? I like the stomp, so I'm going to go with the stomp. And then from here, we're going to go step over, crossing right over left, turning, just a, regular turn, not a rhythm turn, just where you're spinning on your toes. And then we're going to finish it with clap, clap. Okay? But that's not the end of the dance. That's just where we're finishing that turn. Okay. So let's see. We go from the stomp, stomp, back essence. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, cramp roll. Then we go step, heel, step, heel, step, heel, stomp, and turn, 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 clap, clap. Okay? So from the top, let's go from the very top here. Here we go. So from the toe drag, right side, and 5, 6, 7, 8. We go toe, crawl, step, heel, riff. Other side, toe, crawl, step, heel, riff. Cincinnati. Cramp roll. Toe, toe, heel, heel. Step, 3-count riff. Left side. 5, 5, turn. Stomp, stomp, back essence. 2, 3, cramp roll. Step, heel, grapevine. And turn, turn, turn. clap, clap. All right, last little section. This is the beginning of the chorus. So we just finished clap, clap. We're going to go leap over to our right. Then we're going to go shuffle, hop. So we're going to go leap, right, shuffle, hop to the side, shuffle, hop forward, shuffle, hop. Okay, so let's see, we finished turn, 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 clap, clap. Starting on our leap onto the right, we have a 1, 2, 3, hop. Now we're going to switch over to the left side, leap over to the left, shuffle, hop out to the side, shuffle, hop forward, shuffle, hop side. Okay, so that's 1 and a 2 and a 3 and a 4, 5 and a 6 and a 7 and 8. Okay, so we just finished clap, clap. We have 1 and a 2 and a 3 and a 4, switch 5 and a 6 and a 7 and a 8. We're going to do 2 buffaloes on the right. And then we have a running shuffle with 3 shuffles. I guess it's in place, so technically it's a pendulum, but you could call it either one, really. Starting on the step on the right, we're going to go 1, 2, 3, and step. Okay, so it's 3 full shuffles, but starting on the right foot step, ending with the left foot step. So it's a 1, 2, 3, 4. And then we start that whole section over again. Our right foot's up, so we're going to go leap over, shuffle, hop, shuffle, hop, shuffle, hop. Then switch, leap, hop, 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 buffalo for 2, running shuffle for 3, and that's where we ended this combo. Okay, so that was a lot. So let's go from the step, heel, grapevine. So we go out, behind, out, and stomp, turn, 5, 6, 7, clap, clap. We go leap, shuffle, hop, shuffle, hop, shuffle, hop, left. 2 buffaloes. 3 running shuffle. And again, leap, shuffle, hop, shuffle, hop, shuffle, hop, left. 2 buffaloes. Good, 3 running shuffle. And that's where we end it. All right, nicely done. Let's go from the top. So this time through, I'm going to talk us through it. And then the next time, I'm not going to talk us through it. And then it'll be up to tempo as though you were about to do it with music. So let's go ahead and try it from the top up to tempo. Here we go. From the toe drag on the right. And 5, 6, 7, 8. Grip. And left. Cincinnati. Cramp roll. Step, step, heel, heel. And step, 2 count riff. Other side. 5, 5, turn. Stomp, stomp. Back essence. Cramp roll. And step, heel, stomp. Turn, 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 clap, clap. Leap, shuffle, hop, shuffle, hop, shuffle, hop. Oops, missed a sound, buffalo. Running shuffle. Again, leap, shuffle, hop, shuffle, hop, shuffle, hop. Buffalo. Running shuffle. Woo! Nicely done. That one's a lot. There's a lot going on in that dance. All right, one more time from the top, and then we will be good to go to do it with music. All right, I am not going to say any of the steps this time, so here we go. Start with the toe drag on the right, and 5, 6, 7, 8. Nicely done. I am out of breath. Okay, let's see if I can get through the end here. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, make sure to hit that thumbs up button. Don't forget to subscribe for new tap videos every Tuesday and Thursday. If you have a song suggestion or a step suggestion, go ahead and put them down in the comments section below, and I'll try to get to them as soon as possible. I'm always open to new song ideas and step ideas. So, sorry, I'm really out of breath. I think that's it. And again, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.